Tesla's parental controls are designed to promote safe driving habits, especially for teen drivers. As of December 2025, these features allow parents to set restrictions on speed, driving access, and in-vehicle app usage. These controls are managed through the Tesla mobile app and the vehicle's touchscreen. This video will guide you through enabling and customizing these features on your Tesla. To access the parental controls, start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Then navigate to the Controls section in the app. Next, tap on Safety and Security within the Controls menu. Finally, select Parental Controls to access the settings. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date, version 12.5.x or higher, for the latest features and compatibility. A Tesla account linked to the vehicle is also required. The speed limit feature caps the vehicle's top speed, preventing reckless driving. Within the parental control settings, you can set a maximum speed, for example, 80 miles per hour. The car's onboard sensors and throttle control will enforce this limit. This is not a hard lockout, but a software-imposed ceiling, allowing for emergency acceleration if needed. The PIN to Drive feature requires a numeric code to unlock the vehicle for driving, preventing unauthorized use. Set a 4 to 6-digit PIN within the parental control settings. This PIN is linked to the Tesla account. Biometric alternatives like fingerprint scanning may be available on newer models. The app restrictions feature limits access to entertainment or distracting features on the 15-inch touchscreen, such as web browsing, games, or social media apps. Parents can select allowed apps via the app. This does not affect critical functions like navigation or climate control. A 2024 National Highway Traffic Safety Administration study found that Tesla owners experienced a 25% drop in reported teen speeding incidents after enabling speed limits and PIN to Drive features. In a documented 2025 case study, parents reported a 40% reduction in their teens' screen time during drives after restricting access to in-car Netflix and other entertainment apps through Tesla's parental controls. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, motor vehicle crashes remain the leading cause of death among U.S. teenagers, underscoring the critical importance of parental controls in Tesla vehicles for promoting safer driving habits. Experts like Dr. Susan Ferguson from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety emphasize that Tesla's parental controls are a game changer for teen safety, offering more granularity than traditional aftermarket devices. However, these controls should always be complemented with comprehensive driver education programs. Remember to always supervise new drivers closely and use these technological tools to promote and reinforce responsible driving habits. The best approach combines parental controls with hands-on training and ongoing education.